So, guys, the thing is that my upcoming videos will be from Azerbaijan. Oh my god, who's back? After such a long time, but honestly, I missed every one of you. I missed making videos, and it's been actually around 8 years that I've made any videos for my YouTube channel. I've been uploading videos on my Instagram channels, but oh my god, I missed making videos on YouTube. The fact that we made videos and we got really good response on the early videos, and I missed making videos for everyone on YouTube. For the subscribers who have seen my videos and who actually remember me, thank you so much. And I missed interacting with you guys, and I'm just there's so many questions actually, which few subscribers might have, like, who thought that I would be making more and more videos around, but there was just like, I was like in my 20s, honestly, like my early 20s, and now I'm like in my early 30s. So I think I have never like I love to make videos. I don't make videos to fulfill a certain like goal or a certain initiative or something like specific. I just love to make videos. I just love to share my daily life, and it's a hobby for me. So I was just so busy in between. And the first thing is, where was I? I was completing my education, uh, getting a job and taking care of family, and like the same traditional stuff. There are so many exciting things going on. Recently, I just traveled to another country for the first time ever, and yeah, still in Abu Dhabi. I still like to have fun. Still like to hang out with my friends. So I'll be coming back, and I'll be making more videos, and I'll be sharing my life in Abu Dhabi. Like. Whenever I travel, I'll share the travel vlogs, and I'll be sharing like more and more food content, because I think that I like to try new foods and new restaurants. So that could be something really fun to share for myself at least. And yeah, there can be so many things. And also, I'll link my Instagram accounts below. I have one personal Instagram account, another one is one marketing real, and the second one is the marketing Instagram account and TikTok account, and the third one is the real estate TikTok and Instagram account. So do follow me, and I'll keep on sharing the videos whenever I can. So please follow the channel, and if you have any questions, if you want to know something about I don't know, like about travel or something or any kind of thing, you guys can contact me on my Instagram. If you guys would like to see more and more of my regular stories, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. And I'm excited, and I really want to keep doing this. I love it, and I don't care where it goes. Just something about sharing the content just makes me so damn happy. Even now, like, I'm in a creative field, and making stuff really makes me happy. Content creation is my biggest hobby and my passion, and I would love to continue doing it. This is all I enjoy, to be honest. There are very like less other things that I really enjoy, other than like gym sometimes and workouts often. Actually, not sometimes, often. And yeah, I love everything about marketing. I love everything about content creation and all of this stuff and space. So yeah, I'll carry this along, and I am doing this for the sake of my passion solely. I'm doing this for the sake of my passion and my love of sharing the content. So you guys can anything. You guys can speak to me and contact me on my Instagram. So guys, the thing is that my upcoming videos will be from Azerbaijan, which was my recent travel vlog series. And okay, my recent vlog series. Also, I'll be sharing my vlogs from sometimes vlogging in Ramadan, and I'll be also sharing many ongoing events in Abu Dhabi around Ramadan. I'll be showing you guys more and more vibes of Ramadan in Abu Dhabi. Some talking videos while I go outside for walking and jogging and that kind of stuff. Driving videos in Abu Dhabi, food videos in Abu Dhabi, Ramadan food videos, and something more like that. So if you guys follow the channel, I'll appreciate it. If you guys just stalk my channel, I'll still appreciate that, but I'll appreciate that more silently. So when you follow my channel, I appreciate that on purpose. If you don't follow my channel, I appreciate that subconsciously, not on purpose, not consciously. So you guys have the choice, whatever you guys want to do. See you in the upcoming videos and see you guys very soon. I missed you guys.